ready to ditch that old, dingy light and bring some brilliant new illumination into your home. Today, we're tackling that Costco ceiling light installation, and you can absolutely do this. First things first, safety. Before you even think about touching anything, find your electrical panel and flip the breaker for the room you're working in. This is non-negotiable. Double check with a voltage tester on the wires you'll be working with to be absolutely sure the power is off. Now let's remove the old fixture. Carefully disconnect the wires, making note of which color connects to which. Typically, you'll have a black wire hot, a white wire neutral, and a green or bare copper wire ground. Take a clear photo or jot down how they were connected. Your new Costco light came with a mounting bracket. Align this bracket with the existing junction box on your ceiling and secure it firmly with the provided screws. Make sure it's snug, as this will support the weight of your new fixture. Time for the wiring. This is where your previous notes or photo come in handy. Connect the ground wire first, then the neutral white wire, and finally the hot black wire. Use the wire nuts provided, twisting them securely until they're tight. Gently tug each connection to ensure it's secure. Now, carefully tuck the wires up into the junction box and position your new light fixture against the ceiling. Align the screw holes on the fixture with those on the mounting bracket and secure it in place with the remaining screws. Give it a gentle wiggle to confirm it's firmly attached. And the moment of truth. Head back to your electrical panel and flip the breaker back on. Then, with anticipation, turn on your new light switch. Congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your home's lighting with that fantastic Costco find.